Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make our very own Bath & Body Works dupe hand sanitizer. Ooh, it smells like dude. That smells like dude. Am I the only one that misses Bath & Body Works? Walking in and smelling everything and testing everything and walking out 2 hours later just with one tiny hand sanitizer. Like, I get it. We already all have hand sanitizers at home. We have Germex. We have Purell. We have Target brand. We have generic. They gave us this at a festival once. We have Dude Smell. We have this baby hand sanitizer foaming. Oh, I actually really like this one. Look at it. It foams. I don't know why I love things that foam. We all have a lot of hand sanitizers at home, but we all miss Bath & Body Works hand sanitizers. Wouldn't you give anything to have a Sweet Pea hand sanitizer in your purse right now? I know I would, and I don't even like Sweet Pea. So today we're gonna make our very own Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. Here's what you'll need. Alcohol. Make sure it's 90% or above. This is 50. This isn't gonna work. But this is all I have. So we're gonna use it, but it's not gonna work. It's gonna make your hand sanitizer, but it's not gonna be effective. So make sure if you really want effective hand sanitizer, you use 90% or higher. Why do I even have 50%? Who bought this? Peroxide. Glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, you could use aloe vera gel. I'm laughing because this is the 18th time because I cannot say aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel. If you don't have aloe vera gel, you could make your own. All you need is the aloe vera plant. They look like big old spikes up. You open it up, slice the middle, put that in the blender with some water, blend it right up. You have your gel. Distilled water, vitamin E. Now, this is optional, but this will help keep your hands soft because alcohol is just gonna dry that right up. A funnel, measuring cups and spoons, a container to keep your hand sanitizer. Now, I love spraying hand sanitizers with the spray bottle. I don't know why, it's my thing. I think it's so convenient, just 2 sprays. I feel like when I open them and I squirt, I over squirt. Now, the most important ingredient in making the Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer is the essential oils. The essential oils is basically what makes the Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. You want that smell. That's what you're looking for. That fruity or that floral or that musky smell. So basically this just depends on what aroma you're looking for. If you're looking for the sweet pea aroma, then go on Amazon and they have an essential oil called sweet pea. I'm going to link as many essential oils down below as possible that are related to Bath & Body Works. So now, when you're buying essential oils, it's very important that you get aromas you like. Now, I know it's very easy for you to buy like the top 6. I love this top 6 because it does have a lot of important essential oils like eucalyptus,
tea tree, peppermint, sweet orange, lavender, and lemongrass.
These honestly are your best value. You get the most for your buck. But if you don't see yourself using 4 of them, only 2, it's really a better investment for you just to buy individually. I was planning to make my husband's hand sanitizer. His favorite aroma is vanilla. But screw him, he can make his own. I'm gonna make myself lavender and orange. I'm gonna go ahead and use this container because I think I'm gonna make more than fits in my little container that I'm planning to pour it into. Let us begin. All right, stay. First, you're gonna pour 1/3 cup of rubbing alcohol. Remember, make sure it is 90% or higher and make sure you do it fast so you pour it all over yourself. Wow! I didn't spill anything. Watch me spill it next. Then you're gonna use 1/8 of a cup of distilled water. Now this is where it gets tricky. Steady, steady. Now I'm using measuring cups, and I know you're not supposed to use measuring cups for liquids, but we're here. It is what it is. And then you want to go ahead and put 1 teaspoon of your hydrogen peroxide, and this again will help for a better disinfectant. You want to go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of your glycerin. If you like the super jelly feel of hand sanitizers, I really recommend you going with the aloe vera gel and just like putting a little bit more than 1 teaspoon just so it gets super jelly inside. And then I'm just going to put 1/8 of a teaspoon of my vitamin E. And then you could put whatever essential oil you want to make it smell like. Here's a fun fact. Essential oils expire. They have a shelf life of only 2 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you shake it very well and then go ahead and test it out. If you feel like the scent isn't strong enough, go ahead and pour more essential oil. If you think it's too strong, then you're kind of screwed because you already poured it in. So I'm going to go ahead and now pour it into my spray bottle. If your container is clear and you want a different color, I'm going to link down below a dye you could use on your hand sanitizers, on your soaps. You really don't want to use a food dye on anything that you're going to put on your hands because you will stain your hands. I learned that the hard way, guys. Since mine is already in a cute little pink bottle, I'm just gonna leave it as is. There you have it, guys. Your very own. It smells like I went to Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer, but I didn't really go because I didn't want to get coronavirus, so I made my own hand sanitizer at home. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.